Good people, how are you? This is the Remember Gumare from a company called Membi Holdings. Membi Holdings is a company based in Braamfontein, Johannesburg, South Africa. Membi Holdings are registered accountants, registered forensic auditors, registered tax practitioners, registered internal auditors, registered business advisors, registered as immigration accountant. We are also registered for risk management. We are also registered as a fiduciary service practitioner. So if you need anything to do with these services, talk to us. Today we are going to talk about the importance of bookkeeping, why you should have a bookkeeper. That's where Membi Holdings comes in place now, where we talk about the importance of bookkeeping. What is bookkeeping and why is it important to any organization? The first thing that we have realized is so many businesses and so many entrepreneurs, they find themselves in problems with the tax administration, all because they don't have proper bookkeeping systems. That's why we are saying talk to us and listen to this video. It will help you and why you need a bookkeeper and why you need Membi Holdings into your business. The first reason that we have found that many businesses find themselves in is unidentified negative cash flows. Do you know that you can be running a loss, not knowing that you are running at a loss? You are busy every day, you are selling, you are busy every day, you pay customers and customers, they pay you, you pay your invoices, but you are having a negative cash flow balance, or because you don't have a bookkeeper, you don't have someone who is checking whether you are making a profit or not. Do you know that sometimes you can have outstanding debtors not being collected in time? So if you don't have someone doing your bookkeeping, you might have such scenarios where you find yourself that you have got debtors which are not collected. The reason why they are not collected is you don't know who is owing you and how much that person might be owing you. Do you know that several times SMEs, they mix business finances and private finances? The reason why sometimes people do that is there is no proper bookkeeping system. You take money from the business for personal use. You use the personal money for business. There is a mixture of personal and business finances. That's why we are saying you need a bookkeeper. Sometimes you find yourself that you are in problems with the tax authorities, or because you don't have a bookkeeper. If you hire us as Membi Holdings, we'll come in and help you with your tax planning. We'll do your monthly VAT returns. We'll do your tax returns all in time. And also sometimes if you don't know and if you don't have a bookkeeper, you might not be knowing how much money you are making in a month. You might not know how much you are making and how much you are spending. That's why you are saying you need a bookkeeper. That's where Membi Holdings comes into play. And some of the reasons why businesses fail is this reason where we are saying you don't have a bookkeeper, you don't have anyone who is taking charge of your finances. Usually you have improper financial management. You don't know what bills to pay and what not to pay. Do you know that when you are running a proper business, you know which service providers to pay first and which not to pay first? So if you don't have a bookkeeper, you won't be having a proper financial management. The other reason is the issue of dodgy tax returns. You can't keep your taxes in place if you don't have a bookkeeper. That's why we are saying let's help you to keep your taxes in place. Sometimes you apply for a funding and your funding is rejected, not because you are not making money, but because your record keeping is not in place. That's why we are saying talk to Membi Holdings. Let them help you with your bookkeeping. Sometimes you don't have a proper business planning. That's why we are saying the fault business planning can be caused because you don't have someone doing your bookkeeping. Sometimes there is fraud. There might be someone stealing money from your business. One of your employees or one of your partners is stealing money from the business, but because you don't know what's coming in and what's going out. That's why we are saying talk to Membi Holdings. Let them help you with your proper bookkeeping. These are the reasons. I'm going to talk about reasons why you should hire Membi Holdings. We are comprehensive on time performance. We know our turnaround times. If we promise you to say your job will be done in a week's time or in 3 months' time, we'll be able to beat that deadline. We also have got a reputation of excellence. If you talk to our clients, they will tell you that we have got a good reputation for excellence. We've been in business since 2012 and we know how the South African market works and we know how SaaS in South Africa works. We help you to do that. We are also have got a flexible to meet growth. Just because we are also a small business, it can help us to manage things. We are flexible to meet any growth. You can start with us whilst you are a small business, but as you grow, you can grow with us. We also have got extensive experience. We have been in this business a donkey number of years, so we can help you. That's why we are saying talk to Membi Holdings. For more information, you can visit our website, which is www.membiholdings.com, or just send us an email at info@membiholdings.com, or give us a call on 010-214-0667, or just send us a WhatsApp or a call on 078-136-5788. Remember, this is the Remember from membiholdings.com. Thanks, bye.